Guys, today we will talk about the TikTok application and we will show you who to edit you on TikTok. Who to edit your videos on TikTok application. So let's go to this app. As you can see, we are on our profile page, and after we need to click on the friends option at the bottom of the screen. Let's tap on the search bar and write the Duet word. After, let's write the @ symbol and the nickname of our account. As you can see, we have these good set words. Perfect! Now you can find all of the videos with the people who do edit you on TikTok. As you can see, yes, it's our video here. Amazing! So if this video was interesting and useful, don't forget to subscribe to our TikTok and YouTube channels. Good luck to everyone, guys, and bye bye!